Hello everyone, today we are going to do the poem Sankranti. This poem is from 3rd standard Savi Kannada textbook. Sankranti is a harvest festival. It is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm across India. This festival is observed all over the country, but it is known by different names in different regions such as Pongal, Lohari, Makar Sankranti and more. It is a time to celebrate the harvest, thank nature for its abundance, and enjoy the company of family and friends. Habba bantu, habba bantu, habba bantu, habba. Antu intu tande tantu, kante kante, kabba. Habba bantu. Habba means festival. Bantu means has come. So festival has come. Antu intu, finally. Tande tantu, it brought along. Kante kante kabba. Kante means bundles. Kabba means sugarcane. Kante kante kabba, it brought along bundles and bundles of sugarcane. This stanza is about the happiness we feel when a festival arrives. The poet is very excited and he keeps saying, the festival has come, the festival has come. And what has it brought along? Bundles and bundles of sugarcane. Sugarcane holds significant importance during this festival as it is the major crop harvested at this time. It is used to make sweet dishes and is also used for decoration during the celebration. ಗರಿಮುರಿ ಜರತಾರಿ ಲಂಗ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಗಿಲಿ ಗಿಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ದನಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. Garimuri means a newly bought dress that still has the visible fold lines. So it means that the clothes are new and haven't yet been worn. Jaratari means a silk cloth with a golden border. Langa means skirt. Hakikondu, to wear. So it means that wearing a new silk skirt. And gili gili kalgeje dani madikondu. Gili gili is the sound that the anklets make. Kalgeje, anklets. Dani, sound. Making the sound gili gili as they walk wearing anklets. ಎಳ್ಳು ಕಬ್ಬು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಚ್ಚು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಬೀರೋಕಂತ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ತಂಗಿ ಕೇರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಳ್ಳು, sesame seeds or til. Kabbu, sugar cane. Sakre achu. Sakre means sugar, achu is mold. So it's a sugar candy made using a mold. Balehannu, banana. Bella, jaggery. ಬೀರೋಕಂತ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ತಂಗಿ ಕೇರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಬೀರು is to distribute. ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, she is leaving. ತಂಗಿ, younger sister. ಕೇರಿ is street. The younger sister, she will distribute Sankranti sweets like sesame seeds, sugar cane, sugar candy, banana, jaggery to the neighbors in the street. And who is telling all this? It's the brother. The brother, he tells that his younger sister, Tangi, wears a new silk dress and anklets, distributing sweets to the neighbors. ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ತಂಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಜೋಡಿ ರಂಗೇನಳ್ಳಿ ರಂಗಿನ ಗೊಂಬಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ತಂಗಿ. ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, she is leaving. ಪುಟಾಣಿ ತಂಗಿ, younger sister or little sister. ತನ್ನ ಗೆಳತಿ ಜೋಡಿ. So how is she going to distribute the sweets? Is she going alone? No, she is going with her friend. ಗೆಳತಿ. She is going along with her friend. ಗೆಳತಿ means a friend who is a girl. ರಂಗೇನಳ್ಳಿ ರಂಗಿನ ಗೊಂಬಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತುಂಬಿ ನೋಡಿ. And she is dressed so beautifully. She is looking like a colorful doll. ರಂಗಿನ ಗೊಂಬಿ, ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಡಾಲ್. ಕೊಂಬನು ಹೆರೆದು ಬಣ್ಣವ ಬಳಿದು ಎತ್ತು ಹಸು ಕರುವನ್ನು ಕಿಚ್ಚನು ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಡುವರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣು. So before we understand the meaning of this stanza, one of the rituals in Karnataka during the Sankranti festival, it is known as ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಹಾಯಿಸುವುದು. So in this ritual, cows are decorated and taken in a procession. They are also made to cross or jump a fire as a part of the tradition. Kombanu heredu. Kombu means horn. Heredu is to clean. Banna, color. Balidu, to paint. Ettu, ox. Hasu, cow. Karu, calf. So the animals like the cattle, ox, cow, calf, etc., their horns are cleaned and then they are painted with colors. Kichanu aisi. Kichu is fire. Haisu is to jump up or cross over. They are made to cross or jump over a fire. Koduvaru appa. Appa means father. Father gives. Akki, bella, hannu. Akki is rice. Bella, jaggery. Hannu, fruits. So once they cross over the fire, father gives them rice, jaggery and fruit. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಳ್ಳು ಎಲ್ಲಚ್ಚಿ ಅಚ್ಚು ಸುರಿಯುವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಚ್ಚು ಮೆಚ್ಚು. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ, all the children, ಹಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ. ಹಸೆ is a rectangular plank with short legs. So it is decorated and the children are made to sit on that. And they pour ಎಳ್ಳು ಎಲ್ಲಚ್ಚಿ ಅಚ್ಚು. ಎಳ್ಳು means sesame seeds. Ellachi is, it's a type of fruit. Achu is a sugar candy. So they pour sesame seeds, fruit and sugar candy over their heads. And who pours this? Amma, Ajji. Amma is mother, Ajji is grandmother. And makkaligechu mechu. So when the mother and grandmother pours it over their head, the children like it very much. Mechu, like. This stanza describes another beautiful tradition of Sankranti. Children sit on a special seat while their mother and grandmothers gently pour a mixture of sesame seeds, sugar candy and fruits over their head. Kids particularly enjoy it because it feels special and festive. This poem was written by H.S. Venkatesha Murthy. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my explanation and found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. Dhanyavadagalu.